Aujourd'hui, il fait quel temps?
Il neige.
Il neige? Mais non. Comment on prépare sa peau à marcher toute une journée dans le froid?
Crème magique, apparemment. Je mets ça partout.
Tu mets ça partout.
La crème elle est verte, hein.
Ouais, c'est normal. C'est de la crème qui isole.
Ah, je l'ai pas bien fait. Alors n'hésitez pas à frotter par là et puis par là. Comme le vent, à faire comme ça.
It's adventure time. Day 2, it's 9 o'clock.
Est-ce que j'en mets genre un comme ça?
Et l'autre il va jusque le dos ou pas? Le petit. Ouais.
Comme ça? Sinon j'ai ma podologue qui me follow sur Insta, je l'appelle.
Big up.
J'ai l'impression de faire une opération chirurgicale. Mais non, arrête. Je te fais mal? Ce matin, Gabrielle parle dans son sommeil. Et alors je dis ça, je dis rien, mais elle a dit dans son sommeil, bro. Comment on dit en anglais?
I'm the oldest.
Bro, I don't care. I'm the oldest of the family. Like, je suis l'aîné. Non, mais je pense qu'il doit y avoir un mot. En bref, elle parlait dans son sommeil. Je pense.
Thank you, Céline.
I think this is a good job.
I'm ready.
It's a dream.
This is the apple tree that made us breakfast today. Do you feel ready? It's the second day and it's super snowy outside.
Tu have a souvenir.
Take care.
Thanks for everything.
Thank you.
Dis? Goodbye. Là, c'est la tempête en fait. Hop. Les cheveux. Aujourd'hui, on va à Friselas. C'est à 24 km d'ici, 25.
Pas, mais je suis full blague.
On va ranger l'appareil photo parce que là, c'est la tempête de neige. Hein. On va pas vous cacher. C'est compliqué. Can you explain us, please? Ça va vous? Ah! Ça va? On a trouvé un petit arrêt de bus pour faire une petite pause parce qu'en fait on s'apprête à prendre une route où on ne voit pas la fin, donc ça se trouve c'est Paris juste derrière le brouillard là. Ça se trouve c'est la tour Eiffel qui se cache.
Et l'atomium aussi.
Comment?
L'atomium.
C'est quoi?
L'atomium, tu sais pas ce que c'est?
Si.
Mec, c'est la tour Eiffel de Bruxelles, c'est avec toutes les boules. Il y a 9
frère, je suis jamais allée à Bruxelles, ton rôle est de me faire
c'est classique, genre, tu vois pas les
cultive-moi.
toutes les boules, en gros t'as 9 boules et elles sont liées avec des barres et ça représente un atome, atomium tu vois. Et c'est trop chouette parce que tu peux aller manger tout en haut au resto, j'ai déjà dormi dedans. T'as une boule, c'est un genre d'hôtel,
Ouais.
tu dors dans des mini boules avec des matelas ronds et tout, enfin expérience de dingue.
Tu m'amèneras?
Ouais, il faut que tu vois ça, c'est Bruxelles quoi, c'est Brussels.
Ah bah j'ai du mascara partout, voilà. La dame nous a dit don't put make-up. Et j'ai dit oui. Et après je me suis dit non. Et maintenant je me dis oui, elle avait raison. Bon,
Grâce à la super crème là.
je pense qu'il faut y aller, hein. C'est pas parce que j'ai mon mascara qui a coulé que...
Tu vois un trottoir là au loin? À droite? Pas trottoir.
Si, à droite c'est une
Ah, ok,
route.
on traverse.
Ok, super, il faut qu'on traverse. Bisous. but c'est de pas tomber non plus. Nous sommes au milieu de nulle part, mais... Ah mince. On a trouvé des super bolides. What are those? Are they real cars?
Whoa. Crazy.
Devant toi. Devant toi. On voit même pas ta tête, frère. Elle en peut plus.
En vrai, physiquement, je me sens tout à fait ok.
C'est mentalement.
Ce qui est difficile, c'est le temps. Les conditions météo sont dures.
C'est psychologique du coup? Enfin, c'est mental?
C'est environnemental.
So nobody is in the house or nobody entered, but we don't want to be in the storm, so we're just staying here. I'm sorry for the owner, but we're just going to have a little bit of water, sandwiches, and going. But it's nice to not having the snow in the face. I mean, we have still snow under there, but less.
Should we eat something?
Yeah. Where is the sandwich? Where did it come from?
It's a homemade bread from the host of yesterday with cheese.
Food is life.
It's really
So now we're extremely glad because we found a way to walk not there, because we've been walking there for So you want to give up?
I'm still there.
But she's thinking about going home. It's really hard. Never been so glad to see a gas station. We've been working for like how long? Ma caméra a pris l'eau. Bon, ma caméra est pas trop contente de subir les aléas climatiques, donc c'est shady un peu. Where are we?
In the middle of nowhere.
We're in a gas station. There is no place to sit, so we.
Oh, there are glasses there.
Glasses? Oh! I think we're going to buy glasses because the snow is going in your face. Je hurle. Oh, je suis dégoûtée que ma caméra soit toute floue comme ça. You are about to leave. Do you have any advice for me or sentences you want me to have when it's hard?
First thing, always buy this in gas stations.
It's really nice.
Second thing, you have to live day after day and celebrate small victories. So today is the second victory, and if it's too much and if you want to give up, you already done a lot, so it's not the end of the world if you cannot make it until the end because you already did a lot. Remember this.
Why are you stopping today?
I think it's difficult for 3 reasons. The first one is the weather conditions. Second one is the roads, because we are walking on the side of the highway, so that's difficult.
No. Tell the truth, because my mom will worry. It's not highways, but it's like roads that are in the middle of nowhere and cars are really fast, but it's not highways.
With the snow, you're just looking at your feet, but then you have to also watch the cars.
Yeah. That's not walking in the forest with the sun.
No.
And the third one?
The people are not really welcoming here.
What?
the people are not welcoming. Like, yeah.
Can you give an example?
Like in the shop here, we asked for some chairs and she said like, no, we don't have any. That's a bit mean because we walked for 4 hours and we just want to sit down. So we are on the ground, on the floor, but it's okay. We don't need more.
What do you think about your experience? What did you learn?
It's too soon to tell.
Are you sad you're going to leave, or are you like super glad because you will have your bed tonight?
No, I'm sad to leave you alone.
But we're going to meet again, and you're going to save my life.
I'm not sad to say goodbye, I'm just sad to leave you alone and I don't know where you're gonna sleep tonight and you know, that's difficult to just separate.
But you have to sure that tomorrow I will have this place to sleep in. And I'm wondering if tonight I will just go to a hotel because I only slept 4 hours last night because I had work to finish for my other projects. So 4 hours is not a lot, and we had like really bad conditions. So maybe I'm just going to have a hotel tonight. It's amazing to meet people and I love that, and also it helps us like sparing money, of course. But it's really snowy outside, and because of the culture, the probability to have a person to say yes to you is really low, and so you have to knock on many doors, and I think it would be takes a lot of energy. It takes a lot of energy, and it's also really hard for the mood to keep going when 20 people already gave you excuses to not host you. I mean, I get it, of course, that's okay, but because it's my first night lonely, and because it has been a hard day, like with the snow. If I have to dress and I deserve to just go to sleep early and be ready for tomorrow, and then I can enjoy my time with people I meet like tomorrow because I will have energy for them. So I think this is the plan. Do you think it's better? Do you feel better going home without... Yeah, I'm going to book one, I think. Dans la société de consommation épisode 8000, j'ai acheté des lunettes parce que ça va me protéger la face. Et après je vais être comme ça. Et après la neige, je lui fais clac clac clac. Et voilà. Elle me frappe. This is where we're going our separate ways.
I'm going back.
She cannot anymore, but I can. So, Paris, here I am, really soon with my sunglasses. I'm so glad I have those. Like, my style is weird now, but... And we have to buy another jacket because we cannot see it right now, but it's soaking up my jacket, so I will have it like on me, but I will buy another one that is clean. How are you feeling?
It was a nice adventure, I'm happy I did it. Really nice.
So how are you going home? Are you going to take the bus?
I'm taking 2 buses and 1 tram. In total it's 1 hour and 30 minutes. I will walk it in 2 days. So.
Yeah, think about me when you're home safely, I hope.
I think it's time to say goodbye off camera. Bye bye!
Bye! Est-ce qu'on ferait pas un bonhomme de neige vite fait à côté de l'arrêt de bus? Vas-y, vite.
Take care.
I love
que
you.
Dieu te protège.
J'ai tout avec toi. Hein.
Bisous.
Bye bye.
Bon, et ben c'est pas tout ça, mais nous il faut qu'on avance, hein, il faut qu'on continue. Je dis on parce qu'on est plusieurs dans ma tête. Look how beautiful. make me think about my uncle's place in the center of France. We did one Christmas there and it was really snowing, and it's not usually snowing that much. It was the perfect Christmas. And so if you watch this video, Jean-Claude, I love you. I love you, Hélène. I love you, Eva. So I've been walking here for a while. There is no car and it's a little bit into the wild. So it's really hard it's better than here because it's safer. Here is the road. Hey, hey, hey! Still alive! Already dark outside. It's 4:30, and I have 1 hour by walking to the places I wanted to go to today, which is called Fri-les-Sas. It has been a rough day. I slept only 4 hours yesterday, and it has been snowing a lot, and it's really hard to have this. With the snow, it took me a lot of energy, so I decided that because I don't know anyone at Fri-les-Sas, I will go anyway to this place because it's my goal to reach today. But then I will take a bus to go to someone that I know who is really close to this city, and that will host me for the night. I'm at the train station because I walked a lot today. I'm really tired. And I'm going to a friend's place to sleep tonight. Some car is drifting. We are in Fast and Furious. What's going on here? Hi.
So.
Who are you?
My name is Rasmus. I'm your your night bread cooker, you could call it.
What time is it?
It's 1 o'clock in the morning. Is that about correct? I think. And we're doing sourdough bread here, and what has happened is the bread has exploded when I left it here.
Exploded?
Yeah, it's exploded.
That's dangerous.
Yeah, it's dangerous. So you see that everything around here, like over there.
Wow.
And there, it's not supposed to look like this.
I haven't slept for like 21 hours now.
21 hours.
I think so.
That's pretty good.
And what did we do tonight?
So Kalia came here with the door with her trailer.
Celia!
Celia came here with her trailer and knocked on my door, and I was like, oh yeah, welcome in. Lovely to see you.
Did I look crazy?
She looked very crazy, but I decided to let her in after thoughtful considerations. We have gone to a salsa party in Halmstad, and it's about 1 hour drive from Varberg to Halmstad, and when we were there we danced bachata and salsa, and it was really fun.
The fun part is that I have a GPS that tracks me on my phone. My roommates have this track, so they know every time I'm going. And they texted me because they received a notification saying, hey, Celia is taking a car right now. So they sent me a text like, are you cheating? Are you taking the car? And then they got worried, like, oh my god, this is super late, it's dark outside, and she's in a car, she's not supposed to, so they were like, please answer. I was like, yeah, I'm just going to party and have salsa class, that's funny. Yeah. So, this tracker thing, I mean, it's good to know where I am and that I'm safe, but I don't want them to worry because life is made of surprise and sometimes you don't know that you're going to have a glass of bachata that night.
So basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a sign on the bread. Like usually you can carve the bread, like making signs, and when you put it in the oven, the signs really pop out from the bread. And so Celia will do her initials or something like that on the bread, whatever she wants to do. If you want to do a flower, she do a flower. But
can I write my name,
yeah,
which is not Celia but Kalia?
Kalia, yeah, of course, of course. I can't pronounce it, so yeah, I'm embarrassed
Kalia.
already. But
no, you can pronounce it, but I prefer Kalia now. And will it open?
yes, that's the main purpose of doing this is that if you make line, the bread will open where you have the lines.
Ta-da! Can you add something?
Yeah, I can add something. Like Celia has started off well here, but I think you could in between this one you could do just put. So here we have Celia's bread. Now we have 20 minutes with hydration. So you have to, that's why we have the water here down under.
Mm-hmm.
So the water will steam up on the bread
Mm-hmm.
and not make it expand too quickly.
Okay.
It will be a slow expansion, and so the bread can rise, and so we'll get a nice fluffy bread.
Nice. It's growing like a baby in her mom's belly.
Well, I don't want to disappoint you guys, but the bread got a bit dark there on the side.
A plot twist, it's a dark bread.
Yeah, it's a dark bread. So this is Celia's bread.
This is ours.